Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo Y72 5G and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on sound. Now let's scroll down a little bit in order to find the whole ringtone section, which is right here. Here we've got three different options which are connected to the ringtone. We've got the phone ringtone, which is simply a ringtone for incoming calls. We've got also the notification ringtone or alarm ringtone. Let me show you how to change the ringtone using, for example, this one. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've just been transferred to the full list of all available ringtones from which we can choose, which are defaultly installed on this device. What's more, we can tap on custom ringtone, and here we will have the list of the files which we've downloaded, for example, from the internet, and if they will be compatible, they will just appear right here. But let me get back and let me pick something from the system ringtones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it, and you will be able to check it. So if you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is to simply make sure that it is marked and get back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about any incoming call. Of course, it will work the same with the notification ringtone or alarm ringtone. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Vivo Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.